Welcome to Grenada. Hope you enjoy your stay. Make sure and visit our beaches and waterfall. It is lovely. And do have a beer while you're liming.
Quickly. Place your signature alongside our seal. On this baptismal scroll, go forth and carry your name with pride. Never pull when you should be pushing. Drink beer and multiply.
So cocoa grows on the stem of its tree, and it takes approximately 5 to 6 years for the tree to start fruiting. A very important step is the cocoa flowers right here that you see on the stem. And the insect that is small enough to pollinate the cocoa flower is actually called a sandfly. It's a very annoying insect.
Hi bro, how you enjoy this stay in Grenada for the short time?
Happy birthday to me. Woohoo! 29 times 2. That's me. In Australia, it's already my birthday. It's another few hours here, but I'll start now.